Hey y'all, it's Sarah Thomas with Healthy School Lunches. Today I have an idea for you that is actually something to prep so that your week runs a little bit smoother. And we all could use that as the week gets hectic. So here's what I have for you today. Plan ahead. So on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, planning your week ahead will definitely save you time. And here are a few ideas of things that you can do on Sunday to make those lunches easier. So I have a rotisserie chicken. These are very easy to pick up from the store. You can get them in grocery stores, Costco, lots of different places. You can buy those already cooked and ready to go. So when you want to make something with chicken or throw in some chicken on a wrap or a salad, it's easy just to cut off and throw in there. You don't have to worry about cooking it during the week. Another idea is ground turkey. So if you are a ground turkey eater or anyone in your family is, just brown that over the weekend, and then you can again throw it in sandwiches, salads, burritos, or what have you. Also, rice or quinoa is great to make ahead of time. Throw it in a little container and you can do so many things with the rice or quinoa. And our family favorite, black bean hummus. We make our hummus pretty much every weekend and have it for the week to use with vegetables and again put on wraps or that type of thing for sandwiches and for snacks as well. So these things will not only save you time throughout your week, but it will save you a whole lot of frustration. So take some time over next weekend to 1, plan ahead, and 2, do a little bit of prep work, and I promise you will never regret it.